I think that's that.
Wow. River, I think the tide just came in. Look at our shoes.
I know.
River,
My
our
shoes.
shoes, our shoes.
And River's pants. Okay, I think it's
Oh,
probably time to go, honey.
the tide's coming in.
My stick and my feather.
Oh, yeah, there's, yeah.
You have to get them.
Oh, I think that there are probably other sticks and feathers that we can get, honey. I think it's time to probably go. It's time to go. At least the ocean didn't carry away our shoes.
Wow.
Like,
That was a
ocean,
pretty big
goodbye, ocean.